Up 500 is
All right,
no
what's up,
joke on the
everybody? It
NQ.
is
That is a
July,
gap that
almost
has
January. Whoa, slow down
absolutely
timing there,
held.
right?
That is a
All right,
rock hard
sorry,
gap.
but July 21st. Let's do a quick trade breakdown on what occurred today. So for me, I
Yeah.
made
So
roughly
after my session, I'll figure out between
$1,400
Snow
per
and
account.
JPM
I'm
and see what we
trading
can do there. It'll probably be
4
JPM. It's just where I
top
feel a little bit more
top step
comfortable.
accounts, and
And then I'll
making a total of
more than
about
likely go until August. The
$5,600.
IV's
But
low
that's
enough
not the point. What I want
on
to
it
show
that I
y'all
could
is
probably
like,
just do the
as far as I'm
350,
aware, I'm the only
which probably
one
makes
that
the
kind
most
of
sense. I'll frankly
sees
probably just
this
do that.
the price action look this way.
I was considering
And
capping it with a
so
370,
what
but
I do want to point out is basically just a trade that happened today. So let's go ahead
that
and break
may
it
be
down. So here
unnecessary.
is my journal. I do journal all my trades. So here is my trades, right? So first off, my first one, you can see I actually stopped out up here, right? So my first one,
Wednesday's Google, Tesla,
I got
TXM,
short,
IBM,
like it says
and
right here,
now.
price started to come down. We have the
And
sell
Thursday's
iceberg. I'm like,
Intel.
okay, cool. We're going to come here. I'll get short and maybe look for a continuation. However, that didn't happen. It came up and stopped me out. That actually put me at about minus $800. I'm like, okay. And I have a daily loss limit of $1,500 right now. So that happens, and I wait, and this is where a sell stop occurs, and I'm waiting, and then we broke back down below the VWAP and back down to this level. I'm like,
Is it a
okay.
bear trap
So
on
we
the
came back up
Qs?
to VWAP. I got short, put my stop on the other side,
It depends on
and
what time
then
frame you're looking at.
wrote it down, and I did cover it right
Like I have a
here.
bear
I
trap on the
scaled
15
out
minute
at
ES.
125 because that is the Q's volatility trigger level. I'm like, okay, trailed my stop, and then I closed it near here, near this green line. Or
I
not
mean,
green line,
in
but
all
this green box. This
seriousness,
green
like
box
for
is important.
myself,
I'll explain what
I
it
find
is
these
here in a moment.
this
So once
exact
that
spot
happened, I covered it, and
validated.
then just
very
watched price came back up to VWAP, and
difficult
then this buy iceberg
and
formed.
messy
And so
because
with the
these
buy iceberg
candles here
forming,
don't
okay,
really
so I'm
have
gonna
any
wait and
kind of
see.
consistency to me,
It did do a quick
right?
flush,
Like
came
the
right
one
back
thing that
up
I was
to it.
kind of
We're selling.
anchoring
I'm
to
like, okay, so
is
I'm gonna
this level
get
here, which is
short
the
again, but with a small
overnight
position size. Put my stop all the way up here right
overnight
now,
high,
and
right?
got
Prior
that, and
TC
then rode
long
it back down
validated.
to
And so
the
typically,
green
if
box.
you
Covered it,
breach
but once that happened and
and
we
you come
sold here,
back in
then I got
range,
long,
it
and
does
then
take
took
you
it
to the
back up
bottom.
to the
Okay,
VWAP
well, it
and the
held the
iceberg
cloud,
order.
it pops
So
back in,
I know
gets
it
trapped
seems like
again,
very.
comes back into the
I mean, I
cloud,
don't know. You
holds
don't
that
have to do a
again,
whole
right? So there's like
lot,
perfect
like, and
symmetry
no,
here,
and you can't deny
where
like
you're creating
this morning was
traps
choppy. So
here,
if we look
holds
at it from
here,
this perspective, maybe I can help change your mind on something. So this is what it looked like to the trader if you're just trading candlesticks,
and
right? This spot right here,
there's some spots where maybe I'm
this
money
is what
ahead, not
everyone was looking
playing.
at.
Although
All
I don't know
these
if this is one
candles
of them because
looking
this is actually
chaotic,
pretty, for as messy as it is, the
right? Right
indicator's
here,
lighting it
when you're
up.
looking at candles, I'm like, God, what can we do there? Nothing. You have to wait. But if you can see through the chaos and just see what price action is doing, and I see a much clearer action where you can scalp a few points back and forth and then finish a strong day. But you can see right here where I, like I said, made $1,400 per account. Now, what is this green box? This green box actually is the prior day's iceberg levels, where I noticed it was
JPM. All right.
actually
Well,
a
if you guys don't
series
have
of
any
3.
questions,
So if I
feel free
all
to throw
zoom
them in the
back over
chat.
here,
Always get the questions usually later
and I
than
drew them,
expected. So I'm going to go
and there's actually
JPM here,
areas where, sorry, not
but
icebergs, but sweeps
I'm going to have to
occurred,
find a spot
and
that I
and
can
I
buy the
just mark it out. I
pullback as
just track
opposed to
those levels
the high
because
of the
price
day.
will oftentimes still respect
And I'll
them.
just go with the 350 call for August. I think that just makes things simple.
If it's going to show it. Okay, there it is. Okay. Here are all the buy sweeps and sell sweeps. So whenever I came in and I saw these levels all together, I actually just marked them right here, these 3 right here. But if you're wanting to know what those levels are, if you can mark them on your
Okay, so
chart,
the level I have here
they
on
may or may
JPM
not
is
be relevant tomorrow.
341.
But they are from 29,100 down to 29,045, and there is another
So
one
about
down
$2
lower at basically
less.
29,008
350 is going
to
for
28,985. This one up here is another one I was watching.
650.
However, I do know I clicked and kind of moved it on accident, so it'll
$2
give me a false
less.
number. I might as well erase this
Yeah, so it'd be right
because
around 550
it's not
entry.
even accurate right now because I accidentally moved it.
550 on the
But yes,
550
that
bid on
is
the
the
350.
trade. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section. I always come back and answer them. But to me, this makes more
It doesn't
sense
seem
to
like there's
trade
enough
versus
folks short to
trading the
squeeze,
candlesticks when
but
they get
they're
wiki.
definitely
But anyways, if
pushing
you have any
other
questions,
parts of
throw
the
them in the
market
comment section.
to do
If you
that.
did not know,
And
you
if you
can
look at the
click
things
the
that
link
are up
tree in the
today,
description box
it's the stuff
and
that's
sign
like the
up
junkiest
for
stuff.
my mail list. I will be sending out information. I don't know. I've
I don't
thought
wanna
about
say
making this a
junkiest,
thing where I
but
could teach people how to do it.
you know, the
I haven't
most
quite
like
jumped on that yet.
hyper
Still thinking about
volatile
it. But if
stuff
that is
is
something
what's
you're
up the
interested in, sign
most.
up in the mailbox or tell me in the comment section if that's something you're interested in learning how to do. Otherwise, I'm kind
Yeah,
of.
no, you guys do like to wait until I have 5 minutes left.
It's just on the
It's
back
always
burner.
it's always it's been
I
that
don't
way
want
for
to do all
9
that work for
years.
no reason. But yeah. But here's how
I
you
think
do it.
it's
Click
like
the link tree. Go right here
you have to warm up to
get
the
training tips and
session.
giveaways. Why not? Click there.
It's like, okay,
And
now
we'll
I
be more
feel
than
comfortable.
happy to add you to that mail list.
You guys like to wait
But
for
y'all have a
confirmation
fantastic
before
day
asking your
and
questions.
see y'all on the next trade
And then
recap.
by
Take
then,
care.